Welcome again guys to another exciting video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money from Facebook using other people's content. You don't need to create any content. I'll show you how you can use other people's content and get monetized on Facebook and start making money on Facebook. There are two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you these two ways in this video. So you just have to sit tight and pay attention and watch this video to the end. First step, I'm going to go to my phone to show you how to do this. So the first step you need to follow is you have to come to Facebook. When you come to Facebook, you look for the video that you want to use. When you find this video, this is what you are going to do. Just follow what I'm doing on the screen. I can't put a voiceover on this particular part of this video, so follow what I'm doing on the screen. When you come to Facebook, you are going to come here. When you look for the video and you have found the video you want to use, just tap on this place, this particular place. When you tap on that place and that has been copied, then you come here, go to Google Chrome, and when you get to Google Chrome, I'll leave this website on this video description so you can use this website. When you come to Google Chrome, you come to this particular website. Now you have to paste in that which you have copied into this particular box. Just paste that in. So now click on this particular place where you see download. So tap on that, and that will generate this link, and you can see here. So from here you just have to scroll down. This is the particular thing we want to get. So now you are going to tap on this download. So just tap on that, and what this is going to do is going to download this to my device. So you can see it has been downloaded. Now the second step you need to follow is you need to go to your Google Play Store. Just go to your Google Play Store and you search for this particular app. This is called a screen recorder. So you search for X Recorder. So this particular screen recorder, this particular one, there are so many of them here, but use this particular one. I'll also leave the link to this recorder in the video description. So when you download this app, you are going to install it. Over here you see install. You are going to install the app. After installing this app, you will need to open this app up. Just open the app so that I will show you what you need to do. So this is how this app is going to look like. This is the interface of this app. So when you open this app, there are some settings you need to do. So these settings are, you need to come down here. You need to come down here, tap on settings. When you tap on settings, you need to scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see this particular option, tools. You see these tools. So there are things you need to enable here. You need to enable camera, so that your face can be shown while you are recording this video. So if I enable this camera, let me just enable that. You need to allow this. So if I enable this camera, you can see that my face is showing on my screen. So now we need to go to our phone gallery and look for that video that we want to react to. And from here, I'll open the video I want to react to. So this is the video I want to react to. Now I'll take this my face showing on my screen, position it anywhere I want to position it in a way that is not going to cover the viewers. So now you can tap on this your face showing on this screen. You can scale it up just like this and place it at the corner side of this. So now this is it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my screen while my face is showing on this video. So if I play this video and my face is showing, I'm going to record my screen. And to record your screen, you are going to use this same phone recorder to record your screen. So I'll tap on this screen recorder. Now I'm recording my screen. So I'll play this video while my face is showing on this video. So let's just play this. So you can see the video playing. I can do some reaction showing my face like this. I can be moving my face around while I'm recording my screen. You make sure there's sound when you're recording this. Can be moving my face, moving my head. I can be shining my eye, laughing and all that. So this is called reaction style of video. And after when this is done, you are going to end the video and you end the recording. Now after you end this recording, you need to take this recording to CapCut and do some editing. Now let me show you how to do this editing on CapCut. You need to open CapCut to edit that video that we have just recorded. And to do that, you go over to CapCut. This is the CapCut. If you don't have this CapCut app on your device, then you need to download it. Now I'll go to CapCut. From here, I'll tap on new project to open a new project. And this is my new project. What I'm going to do from here is to select that video which I've just done. So I'll select the video, and this is the video. So I'm going to do some little editing to this. First, I'll change the aspect ratio of this video, and to change that aspect ratio, you will need to come down here, scroll to your left hand side. From here, you select aspect ratio. So for this, we'll be using this 9:16 aspect ratio because we are using this video as Facebook Reels. So we need to select this. So that aspect ratio has been selected. So now we'll select this video and scale up this video. So select the video and scale up the video like this to get to the entire screen, just like this. Alright, so this is the video. So if I play this video, you can now see, if I play it, so you remove the unnecessary part you want to remove from this video. So you can see we have gotten a new video. So what Facebook is going to do is that they are going to feel like this video has been recreated. So this video now is your own video. You will not have any copyright on this video. So you can see this is one way of doing this. Now let me show you the second way of doing this. We are going to go to CapCut again. This is the same CapCut. Now we are going to tap on new project. So I'll select the project. From here, I'll select the video I want to do the reaction to. Then I'll add this video. This video has been added. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to split my screen. And to do that, you need to upload a video of yourself. Let's say you record a video of your face. You record a video of your face. Now we need to add that video to on top this video. And to do that, what we need to do is to come down here and tap on overlay. So you need to scroll. This is the overlay option. So tap on that overlay, add an overlay. So for this, we will need to be adding a video overlay. So I'm going to select a video that I can add on top of this video. So let's just make use of this particular video I did. Let's select this video. So I'm going to select this video as a demonstration. So this is the video I've selected. Now I need to rotate this video. If you just rotate the video, keep it up here, or I can keep the video down. Anywhere you can keep it up, you can also keep it down. So for example, let me keep it down. Then from here, I will need to carry my video up again so that people can see what the person is doing. So if I play this video, you can see. Let me just play this video now. So you can see my face is showing at the bottom side of this video. This is how you create this kind of reaction video. This is the second method of doing this. Another thing you can do, if your video done is covering much of the original video, then you can just tap on your video and scale it down. Just put it anywhere. Let people be seeing your face. So you can just keep it somewhere like this, keep it down. Or you can scale the original video and keep it up, let people be seeing the video. So this is how you can create this reaction video. Now, after creating this video, you can now upload it on your Facebook page, or you can also upload it on TikTok, and you can start making money from this kind of video. It is very easy and simple to create. If this video was helpful, do not hesitate to like this video and subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you can support what I am doing on this channel. I will see you in my next video.